Hi everyone, welcome to Review Radar channel. In this video I welcome you to a beginner tutorial for Airalo. So first of all guys, let's open up our App Store or Google Play Store depending on whether you're on Android or on the iPhone. I'm using Android. Now let's go ahead and install our Airalo application. Press install. Now let's wait it to download, should be very quickly. Okay, now the app is downloaded, let's install it and open it. Open it up. Right, so this application is used and the service is used for buying eSIMs for international traveling. So if you're interested in buying an eSIM and traveling into another country, this service is for you. As you can see, roaming is expensive, save up to 10 times. Right, so let's click next. You can also get this little guide in the beginning. If you want to read these, go ahead. So as you can see, you can get data packs at affordable rates in more than 200 countries. That's very cool. So let's press start now. Alright, so the process here is very straightforward. If you want to log in, go ahead. That will make sure that the process is simpler. So basically you can see the popular countries right here in the list first, right? So these are the countries that people are buying eSIMs the most for. Also we have regional eSIMs. So they are basically spread onto the regions, which is Africa, Asia, Europe, Latin America, Oceania, and everything else. And you can more easily browse them. So for example, let's go ahead and choose, for example, North America. And under North America, we will have different types of eSIMs, right? So for example, we have the name. We have coverage in 3 countries. We can click here and we will have, as you can see, Canada, Mexico, and United States under this card. The validity is 7 days, 1 GB of data, and the cost is $6.50. And you basically click on buy now. While confirming your purchase, you can also see a little bit of more detailed information about this eSIM. And of course, you can also browse the top-up packages. For example, you can scroll them in here. So as you can see, we have 1 GB for 7 days, 2 gigs for 15, and of course the price. And the maximum plan is going to be 10 GB for 30 days. It's going to be available for 30 days for us, and the price is $46. Now we have additional information, so data only plan. You can also check the available networks in here in this section. So we have Canada, Rogers, Mexico, Telcel, and Verizon for United States, so that you understand which actual mobile data providers you will be connected to, depending on which country you're in. Right, so you can move out from the store, and also we have global SIMs. So these will be more expensive, but they offer very wide range of country that they actually cover. So for example, let's try and check out this Discover eSIM. So this one has 1 GB of data. It's going to be working for 7 days, and the price is $9. Also, if you want to take a more expensive plan, of course you can. Just scroll to the left like this, and the most expensive plan is going to be $70, basically 69, and this is going to be for the entire year. The data is going to be 20 GB, and your plan will be available in a whopping 136 countries. If you want to check which countries those are, just click here and you have the list of the available countries for this plan. Also, of course, by logging in, you will make this process easier. And in general, the other settings you should check out, you have the currency swapper, so you can change your currency. For example, if you're from Europe, you can change to Euro, or for example, you can change it to Pound if you're from Great Britain, to Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, etc. You also have a chat button in here that will allow you to choose your preferred channel to get help from the Airalo support team. So you can chat in the Airalo app or in the WhatsApp if you have any issues. And that's basically it, guys. After you've finished choosing your eSIM, just basically I suggest logging in. After that, choose your plan. For example, you want not data, you can also choose the data, calls, and text. These will be, of course, more expensive because you get more stuff that you can do with them, not only data, which is internet, but also calls and text. Buy now, scroll down, read the additional information if you want, then press buy now. As you can see, we're asked to log in. You can choose to log in with your Facebook or Google account and basically just use your Google Pay or your bank card and buy yourself a plan that you want. And this basically concludes our tutorial. Hopefully this helps you guys. Do not forget to subscribe and like the video, and I'll see you very soon in the next one.